Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I am going to be doing a journaling spread for the week of March 29th through April 4th. This is really not planning, this is more of a creative journaling. So I am just going to put some stickers down and leave lots of room for me to write. If you guys saw my previous flip throughs of the written planners, you saw how much I write, so I need every single inch that I can spare. So I am going to be using the Live Love Posh stickers, her spring one. I think they are beautiful and it's Easter weekend, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are new here, welcome. I am so excited you found me. Okay, let's dive in. Enjoy!